Ooh, that was so close. Gish? That's right, Squidward. That was so close. Oh my god, what is this sound? Sorry, Gish. It's my tummy. But you stop. Sorry, but it's in my stomach. It's someone hungry. Well, you can eat in a town. But it's here. This the bad guy. We'll have it to do now. Let's go fight. Let's go. Okay, Gish. Okay. You don't kill me, please. Okay, I can't do this. Staying over here, Squidward. I'm gonna kill. Where is the? He's gone. That is the bed. Oh my god, my stomach again. Okay, my stomach. Okay, Squidward. Squidward is gone. Me too, I'm hungry. Okay, guys. Let's go to the other apartment. Who's over here? No. Let's eat, Squidward. Come on, guys.